Back to work. Just need to like move this VIPER. Yeah, I already like worked a couple hours today from like 11 to, shit, what time I started working? 11 to 1. Yep, 11 to 1 today. Didn't have to leave the shop right afterwards because my kids get off of school early at 1:30. So that's the thing now too here at the shop. Like, I'll work a couple hours in the morning and then a few more hours during the evening because I have to pick up the kids from school. Yep, that's my life. Anyway, so yeah, so we're here working on this Dodge Charger Scat Pack. I'm installing headers on this thing. So here's the header. I got it already wrapped and everything. Custom heat wrap. Our buddy Rick, he does a lot of like American cars, so he helped wrap this header. There's another one right here. Nice piece. So yeah. So I work on this thing. It's gonna be a bitch to do, but you know, I already started on it this morning, and then it's a matter of like removing the stock manifold and putting those back on. So I have like a couple of days to do this. But you know, yeah, I forgot that Greg, he's in Hawaii. That's why I don't have any help this week, and actually last week too. But that's fine because I can still like manage to do like all these work. But definitely gonna need Greg's help when he gets back. Can't wait for him to get back. So it's gonna come back Monday. All right. Yeah, I don't know if you remember Greg. So Shane and Greg used to work together back at Toyota, and then they used to hang out at the old shop at KBR. But yeah, I've been wanting to have Shane work here at the shop, but it's been like years. You know, we couldn't find him. Like something happened to him. But I mean, he's still around. But from what I heard, he's like not doing well right now. So it just kind of sucks. But yeah, you know, like with me, I try to like help my buddies, like friends, especially if they needed a job. So like, you know, like for example, Greg, he needed a job, like, you know, like work part-time. So I had Greg work, but he does work somewhere else full-time. But, you know, if you want to make extra money, then, you know, friends work here at the shop just to help me out too. Because we get busy a lot here. All right, light fixtures here. But yeah, it's a tight squeeze. I don't know if you want to see the header, all the bolts right there. I need to like get to. It's pretty tight there, but it's doable. Yeah, so we're at day 2. So like what last night, pretty much started on this car. Got the manifolds out, at least one. Already actually got the one manifold out. Um, these suckers right here, very, very, very puny manifolds. Yeah, stock one. So I got this out last night, and then the other one got it out this morning. So we're like day 2 now. And yeah, check this out. A couple of JBA long tube headers. Definitely high quality headers. A few things that was a little bit, it was tight, tough to do, but other than that, it's like installation was a breeze. There's just one bolt that's like really tough to get to. But yeah, right now I'm just gonna double check, make sure all the bolts are tight, because I normally double check, always double check your work. So all sides. It doesn't hurt to double check. Want to get in here from the back so you can see this? Yeah. I don't know if you want to do a close-up.
There you go.
Like if you're on this side, so you can see. Oh yeah, here. Alright, that's tight. Wait, that one. Make sure it's tight too. That's tight. That's one too. So right now we're just tightening down the bolts, because especially brand new bolts, I'm gonna have to like double check again tomorrow morning before this car gets picked up. So I'm gonna run it for a few minutes, let the metal heat up, and then tighten down the bolts. Alright, that's one side. One more side here. And I already did this side too, but it's nice to double check. It's tight. Check the socket. Just gotta use different sockets. Just slipped off. Do that again. That's tight. Alright. When it stops, it stops. So Yeah, so with this header, normally like you get headers, the header should come with the Y pipe, but this JBA header doesn't have Y pipe included. I'm not too sure why, but looks like you have to custom fab the pipe that goes from the bottom of the header to here. So tomorrow my customer's gonna pick up this car. He's gonna take it to his fab guy that will do that pipe for him. So yeah, I guess like we're almost done. I just need to like tie down a couple more bolts here on the engine mount, because obviously when you do headers you have to lift up this motor. So that's what we did yesterday. Got the engine mount, the bracket loosened up. That way like there's space to pull the stock manifold. Well, other than that, yeah, let me tighten up this mount bolt. It's a 15. Get my stool. I know I'm short. There's advantages and disadvantages of being short, so small hands, you get to a lot of like tight spaces, tight squeeze. Oh, right here, this shit right here. Yep. Wrong size. Wrong hole. Let me make sure that's the correct. I think it was 16. Oh, what's this too? Lower this car a little bit. There's just one bolt inside the bitch. I'm gonna have to put these fucking like the cat, you know. That's one thing about well, we have a shop cat, so I don't want the cat to go over the car and scratch the paint. You don't want that. clean up the battery. You know, obviously you have to disconnect the battery, especially when you do headers. Working around like near the starter, so I normally just like remove the disconnect the negative terminal. This guy's on bag, so you can see what's like. Figured out he has a kill switch, so I had to like turned off the kill switch. Are you ready? See, like it's like a way hazy to shit outside.
All right, that's it, right?
Yeah.